ahishomero ry'amakristo cyogera Aakibishopu yayakirwa mu kitinisa nabwa nyuma yarambura ishomero rya cyogera primary school na secondary nuko kubyara umutu no kwiguraho cyombeko ecya music ahibara bene begiseza
music and worship. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Music is very important. It's the only language which really connects us to God. Seriously.
Tenkishemero twakigoba mebintu bingi kimwe muri yebyo okweshongora okuramya no kuhimbisana bizaguma ha mutindo omukanisa ya Uganda
kandi kiza ko kongera abana kufuna skills na nabandi bantu bona barabaseko mbetinga kwetera keyboard kutera guitars
ahabwe cyombeko cy'aba Mothers Union kiroho nicyombekwa Aakibishopu yasema abakozi ubwo hatabenyigira umuntu unguka
project that in future someone who will be there when we are no longer there, this church will keep sustaining itself. Mothers Union will keep sustaining itself.
When it comes to members coming to worship every Sunday, generally the women are outnumbering the men.
nabwa nyuma yabwana aho abeje bishomero n'abakristayo aho yabashabiro kwa Bishop Johnson Twino mujuni eshitinesa
A wonderful bishop and man. Even in my house, where I'm the chairperson as the house of bishops, when he's not here, when he's not there in the house, I feel there's a gap.
when our learners are disciplined we shall have our learners respect the church leaders and again they will excel.
Aakibishopu yasima abanyashema ahabwa rukundo yibamureka gasha kwa Sheikh Abdul Latif
Prayer to confirm